Okay, I'm going to go over the answers. I, for some reason, deleted these two shapes, but most of you in class let me know you understood it. So, I think from the conversation, it looks like most of you understand it. Here's this answer to these two questions. Now, remember this, he wants the smallest possible box. Don't want the rows to move around, it'll get destroyed in shipping. It's too big. He wants the one that fits the best. On there I said baseball. Make sure you change it to roses. Change it here in my typing. And make sure you leave your first answer in radical form so that it comes out to be an easy answer for the second one. Okay? Same thing here, leave your answer as radical for the second box. Right there. And then multiply it by 12 to make it into inches. Obviously the rows will fit into both boxes. Those only 30 inches. And that's what we say here. The 30-inch rows will fit into both boxes because 30 inches is shorter than these two lengths. Okay. Biel will choose box B because it's the smaller of the two boxes. He wants to make sure the smallest box uses this. He wanted to use the smallest possible box. Okay, and this is how you do these. Here's the answer. Okay. Just remember to always, when you have a division, to always move the smaller exponent to the bigger one. Okay, as you can see, I cross them out and move them here to the top. Same thing here, I cross the -3 is smaller than -1, so I moved it down to a +3. Get that. And this one here. That's what I wrote so that you guys can see the answer there. Okay. Now, these are negative exponents. Never want negative exponents. If you have a negative exponent, you need to move it down. Negative exponent, you need to move it down. Top stays a 1. Okay. So as you can see, these are negative, it cannot. The y is positive, so it stays at the bottom. The 9 is positive, so it stayed at the top. The w's and the x, the x moves up to become positive. The w moved down to become positive exponents. Number 16 times 1, because anything to the 0 power is 1, so 8 times 1 is 1. And then k to the 6 is a positive exponent, so it stays on top. This is a negative exponent, so it goes on bottom. Okay. Negative goes on top. This negative goes on top. And of course, oh, what happened to the x? X to the 3rd here. stays on the bottom because it's a positive exponent. There you go. And these are the answers. These are the answers for those. Last set of answers. Just those right there. Okay. And then at the bottom here, these are the answers. The boxed one. It's my work. All my work is down here. Squeezed it in. Answer to this one here. Good night, son. I love you. Answer those. Answer to these. Notice I multiply these guys together to get that. And then the tens are grouped together to add them. Okay? And what happens when they're greater than 10? Turn them to that. Okay. This one here. And then writing them in scientific notation. That should be easy for most of you guys. Okay? That's it. That's the answer. Good luck on the quiz on Monday. I won't be there.